What's up, you guys? It's Steve here with some exciting news. This is your unemployment update and your 2021 taxes update, as we've gotten word from the IRS that $10,200 of tax break benefits on unemployment for the year 2020, it's going to get implemented starting this week. So if you were waiting on that, it's going to start coming your way. In this video, I'm going to be covering all the details for you, diving into a recent article letting you know who's going to be receiving it first, how you can expect to receive it, and why you still might want to consider filing an amendment if you're a particular person. Now, in addition to that, stick with me till the end, and I'm going to let you know state by state whether or not your state has adopted this for state income, as well as not only on a federal level, but some states are implementing this for state income. However, others are saying it is not included. So I'm going to be covering all this for you in today's video, but don't forget, if you like these updates, do me a quick favor, smash the like button, leave your comments, share this out, hit the subscribe button to get more updates, follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3, and let's dive right in. So link below if you'd like to check out this article for yourself, and it reads, refunds for $10,200 of unemployment tax breaks to begin this week. Now the article says if you received unemployment benefits last year and filed your 2020 tax returns relatively early, you may find a check in the mailbox soon or deposited in your bank account. Now starting in mid-May and extending through the summer, the IRS will automatically issue tax refunds to those Americans who filed their 2020 return and reported unemployment compensation before the tax law changes were made by the American Rescue Plan. Now, it was signed on March 11th. This was the American Rescue Plan that exempt from federal taxes up to $10,200 of unemployment benefits received in 2020, $20,400 for married couples filing jointly. Now, it says for a household reporting the adjusted gross income of less than $150,000 for individuals. Now, it says the IRS has identified over 10 million people who filed tax returns before the plan became law. So this could be impacting nearly 10 million people that could be seeing this benefit. And it says the IRS will recalculate impacted tax returns in two phases. It says the first will start with the returns of single taxpayers. So if you're a single individual, you can expect to get this first. It says who have simple tax returns, such as those that filed by people who didn't claim children as dependents or any refundable tax credits. Now, it will then adjust returns for married couples filing jointly who are eligible for an exemption of up to $20,400 and others with more complex tax returns. So they're going to be starting this week, and if you're a single individual with simple taxes, you can expect to be one of the first to get this benefit. So how can you expect to receive this refund? Well, the article says that if you're entitled to a refund, the IRS will directly deposit it into your bank account if you provided the necessary bank account information on your 2020 tax return. It says if valid bank account information is not available, the IRS will mail a paper check to the address of record. The IRS says it will continue to send refunds until all identified tax returns have been reviewed and adjusted. And it says the IRS will send you a notice explaining any corrections. Expect the notice within 30 days of when the correction is made, and keep any notice that you receive for your records, and make sure that you review your return after receiving the IRS notice. Now listen to this. It says the refunds are also subject to normal offset rules. So the amount that you get could be reduced if you owe federal taxes, state unemployment compensation debt, child support, spousal support, or certain federal non-tax debts. So the IRS will send a separate notice to you if your refund is offset to pay any unpaid debts. So this could offset debts that you owe as well. So keep that in mind too. Now, if you're somebody that missed out on some of those tax credits due to eligibility, you might want to listen to this next part. Take a look at this. The article says that although the IRS says there's no need to file an amended return, some early filers may still need to, especially if they recalculate their AGI and it makes them now eligible for additional federal credits and deductions not already included on their original tax returns. It says the IRS, for example, can adjust returns for those taxpayers who claim the earned income tax credit, and because the exemption changed their income level, they may now be eligible for an increase in the tax credit amount, which may result in a larger refund. That said, taxpayers will need to file an amended return if they didn't originally claim that tax credit or other credits but now are eligible because of the exclusion that has changed their income, the IRS said. These taxpayers may want to review their state tax returns as well. So in other words, if you were somebody that was right on the borderline or you were receiving certain credits based on your income, this could be changing it, and the IRS is not going to be adjusting the AGI for all the credits. They're simply going to be giving you the credit for that unemployment. So if now you might be eligible for the earned income tax credit or some other tax credits, you might want to file an amended return because it could equal a lot more money than just this unemployment benefit. So this is going to be applied to everybody on a federal level. But now the question remains, how do states stand with this tax break? As not all states are going to be adopting this, and you will have to owe this money as state income tax. So I was going to share with you guys an article that just came out. I'll put a link in the description below. It gives a lot of detail on every single state. However, as I'm trying to record and share with you guys in screen capture, this website is giving me a lot of trouble. I can't go through each and every single one. It's not working for me, so I'll put a link down below so you can go ahead and check it out and go specifically to your state. However, what I'm going to do though is something better. I'm going to provide a visual right here on the screen for you so you can see each and every single state color-coded with where they stand. So you can see here states where taxpayers get a break on unemployment benefits, and this is for state income tax. Everybody gets this federally, but on a state level, it varies. So in dark blue, you can see here, no tax on unemployment benefits. And so dark blue are states where they already don't charge taxes on unemployment for state income. And that includes states like Washington, California, Nevada, Alaska, Texas, Florida. They're already not going to charge you on the state income tax for that unemployment. Now, benefits are taxed are going to be states in yellow. So you can see Idaho, Colorado, Mississippi, Minnesota, Georgia, Kentucky, states like this, New York, they are going to be charging you. Now in the light blue, tax forms, let the taxpayers claim the break. So you're going to have to claim this on the tax forms for that state to claim this benefit right now that states are able to capture. And that's going to be in states like Arizona, Ohio, and Vermont. Now, in the light blue gray, it says taxes waived on up to $10,200 per person. So in these states, they are waiving it right now. They're changing the rules and they're going to allow you to do this. And that's going to be in states like Oregon, Utah, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Montana, Louisiana. These states are letting you do it for right now. They have made it exempt. They have changed the rules. And in orange, in states like Wisconsin and Indiana, these states are letting you claim this partially. So you can see here on the map all the different states and where they currently stand with state income taxes getting that $10,200 of tax-free unemployment benefit break. So you guys, that is the latest on the unemployment tax break for 2020 for that $10,200. It should be starting this week. If you're a single individual with simple taxes, you should be one of the first ones to get it. They're going to carry this out through the summer. So if you don't get it next week, don't worry. They're still going through the process, and married couples with more complex taxes should be seeing it here later down the road. You should be receiving it in the form of a direct deposit. If you don't have direct deposit set up with the IRS, you can expect to get a paper check. And we're hearing that this can also be offset. And if you're somebody that could be eligible for more tax benefits, you might want to consider doing an amendment. And this is also applied federally, but not necessarily for state. So once again, check out that color-coded map to see where your state stands, and link in the description below to the article that goes into way more detail on each and every single state. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to capture it for you guys today. But hope this is helpful. Once again, if you like and appreciate these updates, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at SteveRam3, and more videos are coming on cryptocurrencies as well, as there is a lot going on in the crypto world. I want to keep you guys up to date on that because this is an incredible way to make money right now. So you guys, hope this reaches you well. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.